How are you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, doing great. So, what's your full name?
Actually, my full name is Abu Bakr Siddiq. However, I prefer people calling me Abu Bakr.
Okay, where are you from?
Actually, I belong to Khumla Division. It's a very beautiful place as well as quiet place. Now, I have been living in Dhaka city with my family for study purpose.
Okay, so who loves you in your family?
And actually, if I talk about my mother, he also my inspiration, also my dedicated person because all this time I saw my mom loves me very much.
Okay, so what do you want to be in future?
Actually, I'm doing graduation in a remarkable university, which subject is political science, as well as after doing my graduation, I would like to go to government jobs, and as well as I would like to contribute to my country.
Well done. So, could you tell me about your educational background?
Actually, in 23, I completed my SSC exam, and that time I sit for admission journey. And after finishing that, I admitted in recently I admitted in Jagannath University, which subject is political science.
Okay, so how do you spend your weekend?
On this question, I would say it's an interesting also question because when I get free time, I try to learn anything because when I get free time, I try to learn English. I try to listen English because I am learning English. So that's why I have to learn English. So and sometimes I try to help my mother for cooking and as well as I try to sweep my room always.
Okay, so how does your typical day going?
Actually, it's not bad because all day I try to follow the same routine, the same activities. Because as a student, I have to go through a lot of pressure. So I would say all day I try to follow the same routine.
What do you usually do in the morning?
Actually, I'm a morning riser. I always try to get up at about 5:45 and try to take participate in Jamaat because the mosque is not far from my residential house. So I always try to participate in Jamaat. After finishing Jamaat, I try to go for a walk and try to take some exercise like walking, running. Sometimes I try to take bunch up, push up, and something like that.
Do you like sports?
Actually, I'm not a big fan for sports, but sometimes when I meet my friends, that time they provide some materials, and that time I try to take badminton.
What type of outfit do you like most?
Actually, traditional outfits I always try to, or I usually try to go to mall and try to visit any brands, and sometimes and that's after finishing that I try to select what I need.
Do you think dress the people wear is important?
Exactly, because dress are important in our daily life because without having dress we cannot show myself, we cannot introduce any another person. And another things I would say, dress is a chance to meet my friends, to it also get a confident when I meet another people.
Where do you buy most of your clothes?
Actually, I belong to in a middle class family, so I always try to buy any uh, not commercial shops, but sometimes I try to go to mall, and that time I try to visit my brands. And when I not possible to buy any products, that time I try to buy in my budget.
Do you have any favorite book?
Actually, I actually it's an interesting question for me because when I get free time, that time I try to read Islamic books, and I try to know the cultures of Bengali, and I try to know the institutions of the whole people, how to spend their time.
Did you read book when you were a child?
Actually, as far I remember, when I was child, that time I read a story book because I was not a good fan for. I was not interested in any kinds of books. But as far I remember, I used to read story books or horror books.
Well done. Thank you very much.